everyone, I'm Erin Spain. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these easy DIY hexagon shelves. Now this isn't a new idea. You can find tutorials for these all over the place, but I'm showing you what worked for me and I'm also sharing some tips for hanging them. This project is part of a room makeover that I'm working on and I'm going to be sharing the entire space with you very soon. If you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Alright, let's get started. First, I cut my 1x6 boards into enough pieces to build 3 hexagon shelves, so 18 pieces total, each cut to 8 inches long on the longest ends, beveled at a 30-degree angle. I used my miter saw for this, and I did get quite a bit of splintering, which I was able to sand smooth later, but adding painter's tape along the line you're cutting can help with that if you want to spend a little bit of extra time doing that, which I did not. After all of my wood had been cut, I sanded it smooth with my orbital sander. Next, I attached each piece, obviously 6 pieces per shelf since we're making hexagons, using wood glue. I like to use a silicone brush for this, and I'll link to my favorite one in the description. Since I don't have large bar clamps, I found the easiest way to hold the pieces together while the glue cured was by using painter's tape. After the glue had cured, I came back and reinforced the backside using my crown stapler and 3/4 inch staples. I removed the tape and there was just one joint that I ended up having to re-glue. Then I sanded everything smooth again, being sure to remove any dried glue and also to smooth each joint to make it look a little more seamless. My miters are never perfect, so sanding these corners helped mask the imperfections a bit. I liked the natural look of the wood, but you could definitely paint or stain them to suit your style. I opted to leave them natural and just sealed them with polyacrylic in a satin finish. Next, it was time to hang them on the wall. Here's a quick tip, and this is typically what I do anytime I'm hanging multiple pieces of art or a gallery wall or anything like that. I traced my hexagons on some craft paper and then cut them out. Then I used painter's tape to attach them to the wall so I could get a feel for how they would look and I could experiment with positioning them in different configurations. Ultimately, I opted to center them above the mirror and stagger the middle one. To hang them, I positioned the shelf and then placed a level on top to make sure I was hanging it straight. I started with the middle one, and I marked the corners with a pencil. I drilled holes just inside each corner and then hammered anchors into the wall. I then inserted screws, hanging each shelf on 2 screws. For the third shelf, in order to make sure it was spaced evenly, I measured the distance between the first 2 shelves, which was 1.5 inches, and then marked the wall so I could be sure to position this third one 1.5 inches away from the middle one. I finally finished making over this living room / home office, and this was the finishing touch. I can't wait to share the entire room makeover with you soon, including the before and after and the whole design process, so look for that hopefully in the next couple weeks here on my channel. Next, I styled the shelves and I was done. And now for the outtakes. DIY hexagon shelf tutorial. DIY hexagon shelves. Guys, I'm recording. Please be quiet. Can hear you through the door. How I made these DIY. No, jeez, I don't know what I wanted to say. Oh my gosh. Really? Sharing how I made these easy DIY. These are so hard. Back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I made... Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. You can find me online at erinspain.com or on social media at erinspainblog. In the meantime, please check out some of my other videos. Thank you.